This is slowly becoming my health slash food diary. So I burned 175 calories. Hey guys, and welcome to a new weekly vlog. So this week is a little bit happier and more energized than last week. Fun fact though, it is not Monday, it is not Tuesday, it is Thursday. I really took some days for myself and I really needed it. So I'm feeling so much better right now. I'm on my way to the gym. I've made the decision to go to the gym just every day because that helps me, you know, just being in that environment. It just really helps me to be there just every day. And so I'm not doing weights obviously every day. Even if I'm just like for 10 minutes on a treadmill, I'm already happy. So I'm going to go to the gym every day. Here's my promise to me. You all witness it. So I cannot be the only one that is genuinely happy when my house is clean. Let's go through basically everything that happened last week and how I'm feeling right now. And I hope that you can see that I'm doing a lot better. Last week it was a terrible week for me. I was so low in energy and I just basically took a week off of everything. That really gave me perspective also on a lot of things and I just really needed it. I could really evaluate how everything has been going. If you guys have seen like multiple weekly vlogs of mine, you might know that I am busy as hell. Good morning, it is Friday and I am a little bit tired. Well, a little bit, I am really tired because there was just a lot of noise again. I am thinking about starting to sleep again with my earplugs. I stopped wearing earplugs at night when I was constantly having mice in my bedroom. So I stopped wearing them because I just wanted to know what was going on in my bedroom. But now they are gone. I haven't seen them for about, I don't know, a couple of weeks. So I'm actually thinking about also taking my straps away and just starting to sleep again with my earplugs in, and hopefully I will get a better night that way. This morning I went to the gym and I did a tough workout. Right now I am drinking my, well, definitely not my last, but my last sip of coffee before I go and brush my teeth. And then I'm going to the supermarket. So yesterday was kind of a perfect day in terms of health. I could really check off like a perfect day yesterday, so that was nice. And we are going for the same thing today. My luxury hotel review vlog of the Rogue edition went live this morning and I just watched it and I'm like, oh my god, I miss it. When a hotel is just that good that you have like, every time you see it, you want to go back. Oh, and their breakfast. I miss it so much, I can't. Anyway, it is live, so make sure to check it out. Okay, dinner time. This is slowly becoming my health slash food diary of some sort. What are we eating? We are eating salmon with spinach, sweet potato, some cottage cheese, a boiled egg, and a couple of sardines through the spinach. I did that recently and I was actually positively surprised by how good it was. And I know that sardines are like super good for your skin. In the meantime, I just washed my gym clothes and they are drying over there. How good are we doing everything. I'm super proud. So I did realize that I do need more gym clothes, because I have like basically 2 sets of gym clothes, 2 gym outfits. So I really do need more gym clothes, especially if I'm going there like every day. I really do need more gym clothes. Good morning. It is Saturday. I just came back home from the gym. I'm still sweating. I am with my breakfast here. So I did take you guys with me to the gym, because I thought, you know, let's record this outside. But then of course it was raining, so I couldn't really, and there was like a point where I was like, maybe it's not raining that hard and I can still do it. And guess what happened? It started to rain hard. And I was outside in that rain, yes. But, you know, on the way home, it doesn't bother me as much, because it is super refreshing when I am like all sweaty outside and there's cold water falling down on me. It's not that bad. So today was day number 3 in a row at the gym. I did my cardio exercise. I don't know if I told you this, but what I do is basically on the treadmill with a slow speed and a high incline, and I will make a screenshot of what I do. I will paste it in here. So I burned 175 calories. I walked up 146 meters. I'm actually really happy with how everything is going. Hey guys, it is Sunday, basically evening already. So I had a great day again, went to the gym, and now I'm basically here to say thank you for watching again, and I appreciate you all, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.